What's up guys, Model Airport Nation here, and I'm still finishing the process of moving here, but I finally got this layout that I've been waiting 3 whole years for to be created by Chris from Layover Layouts, and this is my 1:400 scale LAX International Airport, runway 24 right and 24 left, including In-N-Out Burger, the Uber lot, Terminal 1 Southwest, Terminal 2 and 3 Delta, and part of the T-Bit Tom Bradley International Airport. So super cool guys, this thing is massive. Let's get this open and let's take a look at it. Alright guys, here it is in all its glory. Look at this. What a beast. Alright guys, time for the grand unveiling here. Check it out. We have In-N-Out Burger with the parking spot here. 1:400 scale. 2-4 left. Check this out guys. The beautiful Uber lot created by Chris at Layover Layouts. And you got a hotel here. Guys, this is literally insane. This is LAX Airport here. I can't even get this thing rolled out all the way. All right, guys, I got the layout rolled out on the bed here because honestly, this is the only place I can roll it out at this point in time. So check it out. Got my dog right up there. Let's take a look over here. See lots of details here. Check it out. You can see the highway here. I've walked from here all the way over to In-N-Out Burger so many times in my life. I can't even count, guys. I literally can't even count. But look at that, 2-4 left right here in all its glory. See all the airplanes lining up. Also got this kind of bridge right here. And then have this like empty area kind of where all the big planes coming on 2-4 right. Got your In-N-Out Burger here. Thank you so much, Chris at Layover Layouts. Check this out, guys. And I have my terminals, of course, from Tarmac Designs, Indiana that will be going on here, as well as some work from Jetset Models, and shout out to Custom Airports Australia as well for some other buildings. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of roll this up and roll it out a little bit more so we can take a look at other parts of it. But this is 3 years in the making, guys. I've been waiting so long. Look at this, 2-4 left right here. So much detail. Check it out, guys. Incredible. All right, guys, you can see 2-4 left and 2-4 right in all their glory. Check this out. I've always wanted to have this in my entire life. Have the airplanes taking off and landing at the same time here, and now I'll have that. Guys, this thing is massive. So we got the drop-off area here, as well as LAX Delta's Terminal 2 here. Check it out. It's got my dog sleeping right here. Yeah, guys, this is just, I'm speechless. I'm very excited to show you guys this, and here it is in all its glory. I'll definitely be showing you guys another video in the late future, or near future, to say, of this layout on the table with the airplanes on it. I'll show you guys the rest part of this here, and then that'll be it for this video. And here is the final end of it up here. We have T-Bit plus Delta's new Terminal 3. Absolutely amazing here, going into Terminal 2 and Southwest here, so. And you can see also parts of it here. All right, guys, here it is all laid out. You can see how massive this thing is. Yes, I have to put it on tables here, but yeah, this thing's gigantic, guys. This thing is enormous. Thank you, Chris at Layover Layouts, for making this amazing masterpiece here. It's been years in the making. So yeah, honestly, guys, I'm speechless. Also, Tarmac Designs, Indiana, for making the amazing terminals. Custom Airports, Australia, Jetset Models, and everyone else out there. So stay tuned, guys, for more. From Model Airport Nation, you guys, happy collecting. I'll see you guys in the next video.